Imagine getting paid just to watch short videos on your smartphone device. That is exactly what Cheelee does for you. Now, Cheelee is a new social media platform that pays you for watching short videos on your smartphone device. Now, it is just an application like TikTok, okay? Like TikTok, like Instagram Reels, like Facebook Reels. It is a purely based video application and it pays you, the user, for watching videos on your smartphone. Now, people have asked me, Mandy, how can creators earn on Cheelee? Does it mean that it is only people that are consumers, people that are watching videos, that get to earn money on Cheelee? Now, the thing is that on Cheelee, you get to earn donations as a content creator, meaning that if you post your videos on Cheelee, Cheelee will actually get people on the platform to pay you in form of donation. It is just like on TikTok, when people send you gifts, on Facebook, when people send you stars, on Instagram, when people can actually send you gifts. So on Cheelee as well, as a creator, people can actually send you gifts. And the good thing about Cheelee is the fact that you don't even need to have any certain number of followers before that can happen for you. Like for instance, on TikTok, I think you need to have 1,000 followers. Even on Facebook, you need to meet some certain requirements. Even on Instagram, you need to meet some certain requirements before the platform can allow users to give you gifts. But on Cheelee, you don't even need to reach a certain number of followers or anything for people on the platform to donate money, that is Lee coins, because on Cheelee their money is called Lee. Do you understand? You don't even need to have 1,000 followers, 100 followers, even 1 follower to get donations on Cheelee. As long as you post nice videos and the people watching your videos find it funny, find it entertaining, find it educating, and they are moved to actually donate for you, they will donate for you, and you can easily withdraw your money on Cheelee to your local bank accounts, especially to OPay and PalmPay. Now, Cheelee is an app that pays you for watching videos on your smartphone. And when they initially came, you know, you can actually withdraw to any bank in Nigeria. I'm making this video and believing that most of people that will be watching my video are in Nigeria. So most of all the banks in Nigeria, you can actually withdraw your money from Cheelee to any bank in Nigeria. But recently they had issues and they were unable to pay other banks. But they came up with a temporary solution, and this temporary solution pays you to your OPay or PalmPay. Okay, so if you've tried to withdraw money to your GTB, Zenith, or any Nigerian bank and it's still not going through, don't worry, just transfer the money to your OPay or PalmPay account. I'm going to explain it to you. You see, when you open your Cheelee and you see withdraw to card, you see how to withdraw. You click on that cell Lee. At that point, choose OPay or PalmPay as your bank. Okay, choose OPay or PalmPay as your bank. Then at the point where you need to fill your account details, fill your OPay account details or your PalmPay account details, as the case may be, depending on the one that you have chosen. And at the place where you need to select bank, you're going to see ABSA. Just go through the list of banks there. Select ABSA as bank. There's a screen recording on how to actually go about this, a tutorial that I've already made to show you how to withdraw to your OPay and PalmPay. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to tag the video in the description of this video, so you might want to go and watch that video and see how to do it. I'm going to, like, it's a screen recording where I showed you how to do it. Now, people have been withdrawing to their OPay and PalmPay and there's no issue. Do you understand? So if you don't have OPay or PalmPay, you can easily open one. It's very, very easy. If you have a Nigerian phone number, I don't think opening OPay or PalmPay is difficult. It's as easy as ABC. Now, another thing you also need to understand about Cheelee is that when you sign up on Cheelee, they are going to give you a free glass. Now, this free glass can earn you $10, okay? Absolute $10. You earn it. I've actually tried it. I did it and I earned my $10 easy peasy. Now, for you to be able to withdraw that $10, the truth of the matter is you need to get your Cheelee glasses. You need to buy glasses. And I also have a tutorial on it where I explain to you how to buy the Elements glass. The Elements glass is the least glass that you can actually buy to be able to withdraw your money on Cheelee, and it's about $6.18. So I have actually bought this Elements glass multiple times and I've been able to withdraw my money multiple times. As a matter of fact, I've been withdrawing and withdrawing and withdrawing. It's not like every time you want to withdraw again, you buy glass again. No, just that one-time glass is okay, and you can withdraw as many times as possible. So if you want to get on the Cheelee platform to start watching videos to make money for yourself, go ahead. There's a link in the description of this video. That is my referral link. Go and click on that link, use it to download the app, sign up and start watching videos and earning. Do you understand? I mean, Cheelee is the first social media platform that actually thinks about those that are consuming content. Every other platform like TikTok, like Facebook, like Instagram, all the other social media platforms that have come before Cheelee, they only prioritize the creators, okay? They only prioritize the creators, and there is a certain threshold you have to reach before you can even get monetized on those social media platforms. But for Cheelee, they prioritize the consumers more. So if you are just on the platform watching videos, even if you are not posting videos, you're still going to earn money. Do you understand? And even if you still want to post videos, you're still going to earn money. So there are so many ways that you can actually earn money on Cheelee, and I've actually made a lot of tutorials on Cheelee on my YouTube channel, so you can go through my videos and watch them and educate yourself about Cheelee. Now, there are so many misconceptions about Cheelee. Some people have come to say, oh man, the Cheelee is a scam, Cheelee is this, Cheelee is that, and I've also explained deep down on that issue on my YouTube channel. Is Cheelee truly a scam? And I even told people, drop your observation, drop your comments under the video, go to that video, go and read reviews of people. There are so many things you're probably doing wrong that is making you think that Cheelee is a scam, okay? So go and watch that video to avoid making those mistakes. And if you're a beginner, please watch my beginner tutorial so that you can maximize your free glass and earn your $10 complete, okay? Earn your $10 complete. Now, I'm going to leave all the links to those videos, the tutorials and everything in the description of this video. Feel free to go and watch them. And please, if you have any question, feel free to ask me your questions in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. And don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for information like this, so that they get to watch the video and learn as well. And if you watched up until this point, it's time for you to tap on that subscribe button, because by now you should be a part of the family. You should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside you. Turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you are going to be the first to know. Also, share this video with your friends, okay? Share this video with your friends. That your friend that is looking for ways to leverage on their smartphone to make money online. Don't forget to share this video with them. Let them come and watch and learn how they can actually scroll through their phone watching videos normally. Just imagine that as they are watching this video now, YouTube is paying you. Will you not be happy about that? That is exactly what Cheelee is doing. Watching videos, short videos for that matter, and getting paid for doing that. Okay, so share this video with your friends. Let them also come and join in the fun, learn, and also be a part of the community. Okay, until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing. And for those of you seeing me for the very first time, my name is Mandy Rachel, and on this channel I teach you ways you can leverage on your smartphone device to make money online. I hope you got value from this video. Let me know in the comment section if you did get value from this video. If you want more videos like this one as well, let me know in the comment section. And if there's any particular thing you would love to learn, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to make it happen for you. So until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and bye.